I noticed the little girl's finger was bent unnaturally, and I could tell she had a fracture. I took the popsicle from the boy beside her, quickly ate it, and used the stick in the girl's hair tie to make a simple splint. I joked and asked her to pay me a treatment fee.
치료해달라고 안 했잖아요.
어쨌든 치료했잖아, 내나.
Just then, her father rushed over and took her away. I reminded them to go to the hospital for a full examination. At the hospital, the doctor was shocked when he saw the splint, praising how timely and professional the fixation was. If they had been any later, her finger might not have been saved. Around the corner, the girl heard a familiar voice and realized it was me who had helped her earlier. Her father was about to thank me when he suddenly burst into a violent cough. I sensed something was wrong and reached out to examine his chest, but he pushed me away and said it was nothing serious. Not long after, he began having trouble breathing. At that moment, a major highway accident occurred, and a flood of injured patients poured into the hospital. The medical staff had no time for anything else. The girls screamed in panic. A female doctor came to check on them, but was immediately called away to treat accident victims, so she told a colleague to take the father for a CT scan. Feeling uneasy, I followed them. Inside the elevator, the father suddenly collapsed. We quickly laid him flat. While the doctor went to get emergency equipment, I placed my hand on the patient's chest, and a three-dimensional image of his heart flashed through my mind. I realized he had gone into cardiac arrest. The doctor returned with a respirator and prepared for intubation, but I insisted they check his heart first. After confirming there was no heartbeat, I immediately guided the doctor through chest compressions and asked the nurse to bring the defibrillator. After an urgent round of resuscitation, the father's heartbeat returned, but he needed emergency surgery right away. Because of the accident victims, every surgeon in the hospital was already in the OR. The nurse warned that without immediate surgery, the patient could die at any moment. The little girl grabbed me through her tears as I was about to leave, pulled a few coins from her pocket, and placed them in my hand. Seeing her tears, I made up my mind. No matter what consequences I might face, I would do everything in my power to save her father.